Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get curly hair just like this one on your screen. If you've been watching Best Friends in the World, you know who Romeo is and you know that he's the cutest guy in Best Friends in the World.
What's hanging from your nose?
And a lot of us, especially me, admire his look, especially his hairstyle. And today I'll be revealing to you guys the products that you can use to achieve that kind of hair that Romeo has. 100% working. How do I know? Because I use this product myself. My hair has the same look as Romeo, very identical, very curly. And what do I use? I use just one particular product, but I'll be showing you guys two products that you will use to get this kind of curly hair. First gel that you can use to activate these curls on your hair is the popular S-curl activator. Now this thing works like magic, but the downside is that you have to use an extra product alongside with it for it to work, and that product is a styling gel, any styling gel you have. Now I'll be dropping link to the video on how you can do this step by step in the comment section and also in the description. This product works perfectly, but the issue is just the fact that you have to add other products together with it for it to work, and this isn't my number one product. But my number one product which I use is the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Gel. Guys, this thing is so perfect. Like, it works so well. You don't even need to have any extra stuff. What you do is just wash your hair and apply it on your hair, and that's all. So I'll be dropping links to videos where you can watch this from other YouTubers and also get this kind of hairstyle. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys my hair because I'm still setting up my studio for my YouTube channels and all that, so I don't have everything set yet. But when that happens, I'll begin to show my face on this channel and you guys can see my hair, and then you're able to understand what I'm trying to say. But in the meantime, these are the products you use. This Ice Curl is the number one product that you can use to get curly hair, and check the description and the comment section for videos, step-by-step videos on how you can apply or use these products. I hope this video has helped someone. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.